Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we're checking out the Lion Trek portable power unit from Lion Energy. Inside the box you get the power unit itself, some solar panels, and some charging cables. So let's turn this thing on and see what it can do. Sometimes when I shoot videos I'm off the property and I don't have access to power or anything like that. This laptop, I don't know if you can see this or not, only lasts for about 30 minutes with the battery that's on it. And if I kick on the fan that I use when I'm editing and transferring files, then that cuts that down a lot more. Plus, when I'm editing, the program itself uses a lot of the computer's power. So I got last December at Costco this Lion Trek energy system thing here. It's a battery bank. It's 99.9 watt hours, and it puts out 150 watts of power, and that is enough to help keep my laptop charged up. So when I want to use the power, I just plug something in, hit that button. Right now we're currently at 99% full, and you can see that we are charging because we are plugged in. So that battery is going to keep this laptop running for about an additional 2 hours of full use when I'm editing, transferring files, all that kind of stuff, which is amazing when I am out somewhere and I don't have power. Now I can also plug in like my cell phone, USB-C. We have that is 60 watt in or out, so I can charge it from there too. They have a 2.4 USB-A and another 2.4 USB-A. So I can be using these outputs and this output all at the same time. Now over here on the side, we have the plug-in for these solar panels, and it plugs right into there, and there's a little LED right here that tells me that it's charging. Also down here I have another USB-C out and a USB-A out. I can keep this running for a little bit of extra time to be able to move those files over when I need to. Now this is only like a 50 watt solar panel. This at max takes 60 watts in, so it's not really going to keep up with the 150 watts that it'll put out, plus all of these, plus those. But it's enough to help me edit my videos when I'm out and about, which is really all I need. Just more than a half hour to move some of these files. Another cool thing about this is that the battery itself is 99.9 watt hours, which is just under the 100 watt hour limit that you can have on an airplane. So you can travel with this. And I like this because it is small. It's lightweight. I mean, this is what, like 3 pounds or something like that. I can throw that in a backpack, throw this in a bag. I like this for the portable power that it provides me. It's not as good as a Jackery or something like that, but it is enough to do what I need to do for this task. And we can see we're still at 87% charge on the laptop, running with the fans on. Not really transferring any files or anything right now, but it's still keeping up with the solar panels right now. So we're still at 99, what does this say here, 99 hours, and we're at 100%, and we're charging just with this little panel here and that battery. So this is perfect for when I'm out on a shoot or something like that, to give me a little bit of power to run whatever it is I need to run. So there's my little setup when I'm out on a shoot. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.